Hello, everyone. Today I'm sharing with you how to achieve standardized delivery in graphic design outsourcing. Rely on this SOP. This is a real problem that many outsourcing teams inevitably encounter after multiple collaborations and a high volume of projects. Because the reality is often, this project went smoothly, but the next one became chaotic. The same requirements yielded different results each time. You'll find that the problem isn't ability, but rather that delivery wasn't standardized. Truly mature graphic design outsourcing doesn't rely on individual creativity, but on a set of reusable SOPs for every project. First, the conclusion. Standardization doesn't lower quality, but stabilizes it. Many people's first reaction to standardization is, will it become rigid? Will it stifle creativity? But in outsourcing collaborations, standardization truly solves uncertainty. When the delivery result is predictable, creativity has room to flourish. When the process is chaotic, creativity only becomes risk. 2. Why does graphic design outsourcing become more chaotic the busier? Because many teams work like this. When a requirement comes in, do it. Once finished, submit it. If there are problems, revise it. In the short term, it seems fine, but when things get busy, it becomes inconsistent understanding of requirements, repeated revisions, delivery standards based entirely on intuition. Without a standard operating procedure, SOP, you can only rely on experience to get by. 3. A feasible SOP for graphic design outsourcing with only 5 core steps. The following process is not for complexity, but to ensure every project is successful. Step 1. Requirement confirmation, SOP, to prevent going in the wrong direction. Before starting, 4 confirmations must be completed. Use case, platform, location, core objective, only 1. Style boundaries, cannot be done. Judgment criteria, what counts as okay. Do not start work until all confirmations are complete. This is key to reducing rework by 80%. Step 2. Pre-design alignment, SOP, to prevent misunderstandings. Before formal design, do one small thing. Restate the requirements in one sentence. For example, this is for Douyin's feed. The primary goal is a 3-second dwell time. All other information is minimized. If both parties agree, then start drawing. This is the lowest cost way to correct deviations. Step 3. First draft delivery SOP to prevent inability to make changes. The first draft is not a complete finished product, but a validation version of the direction. Only 3 things are considered in the first draft stage. Is the direction correct? Is the focus clear? Is the style consistent? Don't scrutinize details in the first draft. Only define the direction. Step 4. Feedback, SOP, preventing emotional rework. Revisions must follow rules. Only 1 issue per round. Clearly define what to keep, delete, not to change. Prohibit feeling-based feedback. For example, not sophisticated enough. The title is too flashy, tone it down. Revisions are about refinement, not trial and error. Step 5. Final delivery, SOP, preventing repeated additions. During delivery, complete these tasks uniformly. File naming conventions, size and format verification, source file, output file differentiation, usage instructions. Ensure the customer can use it immediately instead of asking a bunch of questions. 2 easily overlooked details in standardized delivery. Detail 1. Don't skimp on confirmation time. Many reworks are done to save 5 minutes on confirmation, ultimately spending 2 hours on revisions. The value of SOPs lies in investing time proactively. Detail 2. SOPs are both external and internal. Standardization doesn't restrict clients, but rather protects the team. When everyone follows the same process, the team won't operate based on individual memory. When does your SOP indicate it's mature? You can check these 3 points. 1. Can new employees accept orders according to the SOP? 2. Are the results consistent for similar requests? 3. Are clients requiring fewer rework? If the answer is yes, then this SOP is already saving you effort. A word of truth for teams wanting to make outsourcing a long-term business. The real barrier to entry in graphic design outsourcing isn't who can draw more elaborate designs. It's who can deliver consistently, reuse designs repeatedly, and avoid problems over the long term. SOPs are your most important, invisible capability. In short, to achieve standardized delivery in graphic design outsourcing, it's not about suppressing creative ideas, but rather aligning requirements first, having clear execution milestones, ensuring revisions are consistent, and having standardized delivery procedures. When the SOP runs smoothly, outsourcing will truly evolve from firefighting collaboration to long-term, stable, and replicable design capabilities.